Hey everyone, welcome back to U.S. Immigration, where we break down immigration stories that affect real lives. Imagine this. You've waited years for your green card interview, the final step to build a life with your U.S. citizen spouse. The officer seems friendly, everything's going smoothly, and then, boom, ICE agents burst in, handcuff you, and haul you off to detention. Sound like a nightmare? It's happening right now, in 2025, and it's leaving families shattered. Today, we're unpacking the latest on these detentions at USCIS offices, with fresh updates from this month. Stick around, this could change how you prepare for your own journey. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more no BS immigration intel. What's a green card interview? Green cards, or permanent residency, are often sought by spouses of U.S. citizens through adjustment of status. If you enter the U.S. legally on a visa but overstayed it, say, to start a family, that's common. Under long-standing rules, these unlawful presence issues are usually forgiven during the process, especially for immediate relatives like spouses. No criminal record? You're typically golden. Interviews at USCIS offices are meant to verify your relationship and docs not turn into arrest traps. But as of early November 2025, that's exactly what's unfolding, mostly in San Diego. The breaking news, November 2025 surge. Here's the update you need. Starting November 12th, 2025, right after a new IC memo dropped, reports exploded detentions right in the middle of green card interviews. USS wraps up the chat, then IC swoops in for anyone out of status from a visa overstay. We're talking at least 10 confirmed cases in San Diego alone this month, all involving law-abiding folks' spouses, parents, even a Navy sailor's wife with zero criminal histories. Why now? It ties into broader 2025 enforcement pushes under the Trump administration, prioritizing removals even for those in legal pathways. Detainees get processed downtown, then shipped to Otay Mesa facility for a court date and possible bond hearing. Most get released eventually, but the trauma? Lasting. Reactions and pushback. Voices of authority. 3 San Diego Congress members, Representatives Sarah Jacobs, Juan Vargas, and Mike Levin, fired off a letter to DHS Secretary Kristi Noem on November 21st, demanding answers. How many arrests? Any kids involved? Where are they held? And why target legal applicants instead of threats? They call it a quiet war on families, wasting resources on quotas over security. ICE's response? A boilerplate line. We're enforcing laws on those unlawfully present, even at USCIS sites. Self-deport if you're out of status. Attorneys push back hard. This violates USCIS's own policy against arrested interviews, and overstays are forgivable here anyway. What this means and advice. So, what's the big picture? This could signal tougher scrutiny nationwide, hitting thousands in the adjustment pipeline. Families face emotional whiplash. Kids separated from parents, all while green card eligibility stays intact post-release. If you're prepping an interview, get a lawyer, now run a FOIA check for red flags. Plan backups, childcare, work leave, emergency contacts. Attend anyway, skipping risks denial. This story is evolving fast. We'll update as Congress probes deeper and more voices rise. What do you think? Fair enforcement or family cruelty? Drop comment below. Keep it respectful, like if this hit home, and subscribe for weekly immigration breakdowns. Share to spread awareness together. We amplify these stories. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.